Welcome to OlympPYQ.
We are going to find the visual proof for the area of trapezoid. Let's say trapezoid has a bottom base of length b1, top parallel side has a length b2 and the height is h. Now watch carefully. Take the midpoint of left slanted side and mark it. From this midpoint, draw a line straight to the top right corner of the trapezoid. Here comes the interesting part. Imagine this midpoint as a hinge. Rotate the top portion of the trapezoid in an anti-clockwise around this hinge. After this rotation, something amazing happens. The new base of the figure becomes b1 plus b2. Now the trapezoid has been transformed into a triangle with a base b1 plus b2 and a height h. The area of the triangle is going to be equal to 1 by 2 times of b1 plus b2 into h, which means the area of trapezoid is exactly same.
If you enjoyed this visual proof, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more math explained visually.